The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kidder County in south-central North Dakota, western Stutsman County in southeastern North Dakota, until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southeast of Hertzfield to 7 miles north of Dawson to 6 miles northeast of Braddock, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Steele, Medina, Tappan, Streeter, Cleveland, Tuttle, Pettibone, Dawson, Pingree, Woodworth, Robinson, Lake Isabel, Windsor, Edmonds, Crystal Springs, Lake Williams, Chase Lake, Streeter Memorial, and Horsehead Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.